If you have liver spots, the best way to prevent a flare-up is by staying out of the sun. TVJ's Shamela Pullen tells us more.
Liver spots are irregular in shape, larger than freckles, and vary from tan to very dark brown. According to consultant dermatologist Dr. Donna Braham, at least 5% of the Jamaican population suffers from the condition.
They usually start on the arms, the upper back, the chest, but then it can spread to the face and it can spread to every and any part of the body. It also likes areas where there's friction or sweating. So like the arms, it can also go to the arms, the elbow creases, in between the thighs, the groin area.
The medical term for a liver spots is pityriasis versicolor. It is usually caused by yeast-like fungus.
When it gets very hot and humid, or increased sunlight out at the beach, playing any sports that you're out into the sun quite a bit, will increase the risk of the pityriasis versicolor or liver spots to come up.
The condition is not contagious. It cannot be cured, but Dr. Braham says it can be treated and controlled.
If you know that you've had it in the past or you're predisposed to having it, then whenever you are around the things that would trigger it off, like the sunlight, then you start to use that shampoo. If it gets much worse, then you visit a doctor. We will give you some tablets, antifungal tablets, to get it treated at that point in time. There are over-the-counter things that can also be helpful, so things like the selenium sulfide, sulfur has also been quite helpful.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.